Hi friends, this is your Lesson 30 exit ticket. So in your learning video, you should have seen how for this set of problems, you are going to draw your picture in a number bond form. Okay, so maybe some of your examples in your learning video look something like this. Okay, this is an example. Jill was given a total of 5 flowers for her birthday. She put 3 in one vase and the rest in another. How many flowers did she put in the other vase? Okay, so you can see that our whole is 5 because she was given 5 flowers on her birthday. So in our number bond, our picture number bond, we have our whole of 5 up here. She put 3 in one vase, that's where you see right here. And then, friends, we don't know how many she put in the other vase, so that's why this part to this picture number bond is blank. So that's what you're going to do on your exit ticket as well. You are going to draw a picture number bond to match this word problem up here. Then you are going to write a number bond to match using numbers. You're going to write the addition number sentence and the subtraction number sentence, and then fill in this answer over here. Toby finds blank shells on Tuesday. Okay, friends, so there's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts to this problem, so make sure you do all of them. Here is your here is your word problem. Toby collects shells. On Monday, he finds 6 shells. On Tuesday, he finds some more. Ooh, I see that missing part that I'm missing. Toby finds a total of 9 shells. I hear that word total. I know 9 must be my whole. How many shells does Toby find on Tuesday? Okay, so let's listen to it one more time and let's pick out that important information. Toby collects shells. On Monday, he finds 6 shells. On Tuesday, he finds some more. Toby finds a total of 9 shells. How many shells does Toby find on Tuesday? First thing I want you to do is start with that picture number bond to match this word problem up here. Then create your number bond, and then your addition and subtraction sentences to match, and then fill in your answer right here. Toby finds blank shells on Tuesday. Again, if you need to go back to hear the directions again or to see the example, go back to the beginning of the video.